Amakuru ngoreka ngo mwina zogu akashanga omukazi ogu arikwetambura ebye omurucyororafuzi omuri Ibanda mu Rufunda division ahagati ya shanki 11 nuko kwihayo muhora kamutemaho Omukono atine cyagambire mbabazi bwa nyuma yo kutunga obutovu akirukangirizwa omwirwariro rya Ibanda Central Clinic kutunga obujanjabi obwo Poorisi erinegezaho kucondoza kandi no kwiga Alex Isabi yarhanga orini cyaju Ibanda Central Clinic yashobora mbabazi Christine akaretwa hirwarire ryo mu mberambi konka bashaho bagezeho gukora cyo n'ikiri kubasika kandi obwa hati tarikwerarikiriza
kitwe no kubatureka omurwire abira tariki kozo omurwire abira no kugamba kandi we nabira awire meshaga itwe ngabashaho atwakoraho nagitu gona omurwire twamuri statinga twamuteka hamizi twamutamweshagama kandi twabazira ryo Omukono gwagaruka gwatere hati mu condition eti tuli muhati omurwire kugira ngo ari stable koza tuwena na gamba kandi taineho signs zone mbezi kubasa kutwara amakarage y'umuntu.
Uri mugambirizi wa Poorisi haba Ruizi region Samson Kasasira yashobora ngo Poorisi units zone ziri mu cweka cya Ruizi bahereze kwamanyisa okugezaho kuzahamuhigo ngo kuronda Alex ogu.
Our units are on high alert for the apprehension of one Alex on charges of attempted murder who cut the arm of Mbabazi Catherine, a 23-year-old female adult in Ibanda district, and is right now on the run. But our units are all on high alert for his arrest, and for those that may know him or have information about his whereabouts, we call on you to give us information for his arrest.
Ogu yayongera yashobora ngo bikorwa nkebi ebiri kugira habutabanko bwo maka nibiyongera mu cweka cya Ruizi region ahemshanga kwika bitano kirana na gumwe yahereze kwandikwa mezi mukaga kandi hariye bibirashataneshatu yakiriyo necondozo bwaho.
As an institution of police, we condemn acts of violence in families or in relationships, and we urge people to always look out for the best resolution or option to resolve their matters other than violence. Incidents related to domestic violence for the last 6 months, as a region, we have registered 591 cases. And of those 591 cases, 233 of those cases are under inquiry.